Welcome, and thank you for choosing Osstell IDx. Before you get started, you will need to set up and register your instrument. When you first turn on your IDx, you will be prompted to select language, time zone, date, and time. You will now be guided through the registration of your IDx. It will take only a few minutes. During the registration, you will need to have access to internet through a computer or a mobile device to register your account at OsstellConnect.com. You will be prompted to select a 4-digit PIN used to log into the instrument. The next step is to select a password for the system backup. The IDx automatically backs up your data on a regular basis if it is connected to the internet. The backup code is needed to recover your IDx data in case something happens to your instrument. It's very important that you write your password down for future reference. Osstell will not be able to recover this for you. Now it's time to register your product. To do so, you will need to obtain a PUK code. Please note that you need to access the internet through a computer or a mobile device to do so. Go to OsstellConnect.com and click Create New Account. Fill out the form. You need to accept the terms and conditions. You can read those by clicking on the link to the right. Then click Next. Please check your email. Click the link in the email to activate the account. Please log in. Fill in information about your profile and clinic. This will improve your content on your dashboard. You'll be able to compare your clinic with data averages from other Osstell Connect users around the world. Click Register Instrument to go directly to your own device page. Click Add New Instrument. Now you need the serial number on your IDx instrument. It is located at the back of the IDx. Fill in the serial number. You also need the registration code shown in the IDx. If you have trouble finding the code, please contact us by sending us an email at support@osstell.com. Fill in that registration code and click Next. After successful registration, you will see your PUK code. Enter that PUK code into your Osstell IDx instrument and click OK. Next step is to connect to the internet. This will enable automatic backup and sync with Osstell Connect. Select Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Once you are done, make sure the wireless symbol in the Osstell Connect cloud is highlighted. This means that you have a Wi-Fi connection. You will now need to set up the dental notation. Tap the settings symbol in the bottom left corner and then select More. Select Exam. Change dental notation from FDI to UNS by tapping the arrow to the right. You can now close this window. Congratulations! Your Osstell IDx is now set up. Let's start measuring.